Hello everyone. In the previous classes, we have discussed length contraction, time dilation. As you see that length and time depends upon the relative motion of the observers. Like length and time, mass also a relative quantity. Mass is also a relative quantity, so therefore it also depends upon the relative motion between the observers. If m0 is the mass measured by an observer which is moving, then the observer for the observer which is at rest measure its mass as m naught divided by square root of 1 minus v square by c square. So this expression is called relativistic mass variation formula. We have to establish this relation, but before we establish we need some velocity addition rules. For example, so first we'll discuss the addition of velocities under Laurent transformation, because Galilean transformation is no more useful for us, because the Laurent transformation equations are consistent with the postulates of special theory of relativity. So we'll derive the velocity addition rule using the Laurent transformation equation. So suppose if there are two frame of reference S and S dash, and S dash is moving with some velocity v, then for some event p, if some event p takes place in the space, and if S measures its coordinates x, y, z, t, and if S dash measures its coordinates x dash, y dash, z dash, and t dash, then we can relate these observations with following equations. These equations relate the observations of two different observers of S and S dash. Now let's suppose that ux dash, uy dash, and uz dash are the component of velocity in S dash frame of reference. Okay, this means u dash is equal to ux dash x cap plus uy dash y cap plus uz dash z cap. So ux dash and uy dash and uz dash are the velocity component in S dash frame of reference. Okay, then what will be their corresponding component in S frame of reference? So you know that if these transverse these trans sorry uh, suppose ux dash and uy dash uz dash are velocity component of some object, then their corresponding components in S frame of reference can be expressed as ux, uy, uz. Okay, so ux dash, uy dash, and uz dash are the velocity component measured by S dash measured by the observer of S dash frame of reference, and ux, uy, uz are their corresponding velocity component in S frame of reference. So what is our aim is to express ux dash in terms of ux, uy, uz. Okay, means we have to express this in terms of velocity component measured by S dash frame of reference. So we will use these equation. So us dash, uy dash, uz dash are the velocity components of somebody in S dash frame of reference. Then their corresponding component will be ux, uy, uz in S frame of reference. Here these are the Laurent transformation equations. So x dash is related to x by this equation, and t dash is related to t by this equation. Okay, so we will use these equations to uh, get relation between these velocity components. So what we will do, let's equation number 1 2, let's name it equation number 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what I am going to do is we will take the differential of equation number 1. So dx dash is equal to, okay, no matter, first I should explain how the velocity is defined. So velocity is ux dash will be defined as dx dash by dt dash, and uy dash will be defined as dy. We have already read it in intermediate. So dy dash by dt dash and uz dash is equal to dz dash by dt dash. Okay, and their corresponding component in S frame of reference can be expressed as ux is equal to dx by dt, uy is equal to dy by dt, and uz is equal to dz by dt. This is in S dash frame of reference, this is in S. We have to obtain the relation between these velocities. Okay, so what I am going to do, I will take the differentials of this equation and this equation first. Okay, so let's do it. Dx dash will be equal to dx minus v dt. This term is constant, so no problem. 1 minus v square by c square. What is v? V is the relative velocity of observer O dash with respect to observer O. Okay, now dt dash will be, dt is minus v by c square, and this is dx. Okay, and divided by, this is again the constant. So how the velocity will be defined, how the velocity is defined, dx dash by dt dash, this equation. So you can write ux dash is equal to dx dash and divided by dt dash. What is dx dash? You can use this expression. So you can write is equal to dx minus v dt divided by square root of 1 minus v square by c whole divided by dt minus v by c square dx divided by 1 minus v square by c square. This will cancel each other. Okay, so you can write this expression as dx by dt minus v is equal to 1 minus v, sorry, this is v square, 1 minus v square by c square. Okay, 1 dx by dt. Okay, so what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is ux. Okay, clear? So you can write it ux minus v is equal to 1 minus v square ux by c square. This is ux dash. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so what I have written, ux dash is equal to dx by dt is ux. Okay, minus v divided by 1 minus v square by c square, and this is dx by dt can be written as ux. Okay, so is the this is the ux dash component can be written in terms of the velocity component, their corresponding velocity component ux in S frame of reference, and v is the relative velocity between the observers. So this is the velocity addition rule under Lorentz transformation. we have written it for ux dash. Similarly we can write for uy dash component as uy dash is defined as dy dash by dt dash. Okay, so what is dy dash? So dy dash you can find it from here. Dy dash is equal to dy, no problem. What is dt dash? Dt dash is here dt minus v by c square dx divided by square root of 1 minus v square by c square. You can again write it as dy by dt, okay, multiplied by 1 minus v square by c square whole divided by 1 minus v by c square dx by dt. So you will finally uh, get the following relation: dy by dt is uy multiplied by square root of 1 minus v square by c square, okay, divided by 1 minus v, this is v square, sorry, v square by c square dx by dt is ux. Okay, so this is the expression for uy dash. So uy dash is defined as can be written as uy 1 minus v square root of 1 minus v square by c square divided by 1 minus v square by c square multiplied by ux. So we have got the expression for ux dash, we have gotten the expression for ux dash, and you have uy dash. Okay, similarly we can write for uz dash. Okay, that will be similar way we can write it. Uz dash will be equal to uz 1 minus v square by c square divided by 1 minus v square by c square and multiplied by ux. Okay, so now we have established this relation very simply. So these are the velocity addition rule that can be written as what was the expression? Ux dash is equal to ux minus v divided by 1 minus, sorry, wrong, look back to the previous page. Ux dash is equal to ux minus v divided by 1 minus v square ux divided by c square. Similarly we have obtained the expression for uy dash is equal to uy 1 minus v square by c square का whole square root divided by 1 minus v square by c square into ux. Similarly you can write for uz dash is equal to uz 1 minus v square by c square divided by 1 minus v square by c square ux. So these are the velocity addition rule. Velocity addition rule in Laurent transformation using the Laurent transformation equation. Okay, we have done these equations using the Laurent transformation equation. So for a special theory of relativity, these are the velocity addition rules. So ux is the velocity observed by the observer which is at rest, and v is the uh, relative velocity of any frame of reference with respect to s. So ux there, then their corresponding velocity component ux just can be given by this expression. Similarly we can write ux, uy and uz in terms of uh, ux dash, uy dash and uz dash. So the velocity addition rule will be ux is equal to ux dash. This is called inverse velocity addition rule. Okay, like you have written inverse Laurent transformation, in which we have considered in which we have considered that S is moving with minus v velocity with respect to S dash. So in the similar fashion, you can write here the velocity addition rules for in terms of dash coordinate system. Okay, ux plus v divided by 1 plus v ux divided by c square. Okay, similarly you can write uy is equal to uy dash divided by 1 plus v ux by c square multiplied by 1 minus v square by c square. Okay, uz is equal to uz dash multiplied by square root of 1 minus v square by c square divided